Welcome to your profile page. This is the page which includes some basic information about you, but also where you can build your public profile. The profile that public users of the Purpose Labs platform will be seeing if they want to find a coach and book a session with you. On the left-hand side, we have your main profile card. It includes your name, the type of coaching you do, your location, but also information about your subscription. From this space, you can also add coaches that get added to your coaching program by inserting their email and sending them an invitation. You can also remove coaches when the end of your coaching journey comes. You can also add your LinkedIn page for people to be able to find you through our platform, but also your website. On the right-hand side, you can build your public profile. This is the profile that users of the Purpose Labs platform will be seeing on the list of coaches and will be able to get in touch with you to book a coaching session. It includes a personal statement, your professional profile, the services you offer, as well as your approach. If you want, you can also add your coaching certifications. This profile will become public to all the users of our platform if you activate the checkbox on the top, which says Make my coach profile public. When you press it, you'll be prompted to make your profile public. Now your profile is public and it is visible to users of our platform. The public users have a Connect dashboard, which connects them with coaches around their area. So the example coach here is visible. The personal statement is the first thing to be recognized. And then if we press on the profile of the coach, we can see the rest of the details. A user can then select to book a session with you through our platform, and they can send you a message. They can also visit your website and your LinkedIn page. This is how you can promote yourself through the Purpose Labs platform to all of our users in order to generate more leads for your coaching programs.